Alright, my people, welcome to another video. You know, yeah, back on it. You know, the tiling is real. Yeah, so I have this bathroom I know I tile out. I already tiled the floor from yesterday. But because of the complication of this bathroom now, it have to do little. The bath had the history with it. So, floor tile out. Yeah, so that's how the bath will go. You might consider why this are left out. Well, right now what's going to happen, we have to tile a part of this up to about 24 inches before the bath can go in. So the bath basically will sit on top of the tile. So getting closer to there, when you make know what I'm going to show you the details of it. Yeah, so the bath basically will sit on top of the tile. It's a different design of bath, you know, and yeah. So I forget at least the height up to 24 inches where the bath can sit down on it. Then afterward, no. Once we catch that level there, yeah, this can the board can put in back this, but nothing can do to there so as yet. So as I say, it's a technical look a job where, you know, as I say, I'm going to show you in the details when we come to it. Yeah, but this is how we do it right now. As I said, the floor tile out, did not grow out as yet. Yeah. Alright, my people, so the bath drop in. Yeah, so as you can see, what we do within our waterproof right around it. Yeah, so waterproof all around it, right round. Right round. So, alright, this is how it happening with the bath. Yeah, you see this? As me I telling you about the bath from out there. Yeah, the bath are kind of technical. So the bath have to go sit down on the tile. So we end up have to cut back the tile right through all the way around. So through you can see through here, so now that's why this have to tile. So if you look, the two parts are the same thing. And this is how the bath stay. So you have that space that will go around there. So I same thing with this now. Yeah, so the bath sit down upon it. Yeah, so that I it with it. So my guy now, what am I going to do now, man? So I can carry up the wall, yeah. Yeah, so as I said, the bath get in. So that's one step. Yeah, so I will say I can do some work I know. Yeah. I want to show you where I'm going with the plumber still, but I'm not on site. So, yeah. Well, that's basically it now. So as I say, I will run some tile floor, grout up and everything. Yeah, so. Yeah. So we end up tile out around the other side. Yeah, so. This is a 4 foot right round done with. Yeah, so all around this a tile out. So we get rid of the 4 foot for the time being. Yeah. So as I said, this is how we happen with the bath. So we have to work from here so. Yeah, so that's how the place look now. So I'm saying I have to go up with this now so I can catch around the bath and now lock in them tile around there. Yeah. So alright my people, bathroom up and running. So yeah. That's how we reach with it. So tape up the bath. Yeah, that's how we do the bath, so we tape it up. Yeah, because the ceiling kinda high. So take time to go on up and running. Yeah, so we have our 2 more rope on the top there. Yeah, so like 4 foot round. Yeah, so nice black tile on the floor. So as I say, we up and running, take time to go on. So let's see if we can close it off, an idea, yeah. Yeah, so we have a tin set to line up here now. Tin set there. So I'll run up some tile. Line up the cutter there for me, try. Yeah, so as I say, everything up and running. Yeah, so close off this up. Tile will run out here now. Let's see if we can count the wall right and then finish it out. You know? Yeah. So alright my people, so the bathroom done here now. So basically just have the grouting left. So I'll run some grout on it. Yeah, so as you can see right up the ceiling. Yeah, nice tiles. Yeah, some 12 by 24. So yeah, so this is how it look like finished now. So as I said, the only thing we do now is run some grout on it. Yeah, so I will grout it up. Yeah. Yeah, so that's over the bath. I know we have it 4 foot right round. So yes, my people, remember to like, share and subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah, tell me what you think about the job them. Yeah, so as Mr. Right now what we do, finish the tiling, clean up. So I will do some grouting. So you don't know it go. You know, we just clean up, forget everything organized up. Yeah, run some grout on it. So as I see how the bath, you know, it's a technical kind of job as me I tell you from day one. You know, we have to tile on the tile, the bath will sit down on the tile. So with all of that said, yeah, just a line up to do some grouting, you know. So once we get all of this out of the way, clean up, you know, take off the ply off of the bath so we can show them what going on with the bath. So basically that's a good part right now. As I said, just some grouting. Yeah. Bathroom nice and sweet. So alright my people, so right now see where I'm going with you. We're do some grouting. Yeah. See if we can get this wall grout up. Yeah, nice and clean. As I say, I'll try to get the place grout up. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, a piece of wall I will grow out up here. Yeah, so we soon clean up, you know, take up the plywood off of the bath and, you know, get the finished touch. Yeah, so as I say, try to get some grouting going on now. Yeah, draw some grout on the wall. So alright my people, so the job done you know. The bathroom done and grout up and everything. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the floor. Yeah, nice finished product as you can see. So around the other side I know 4 foot right now. Yeah, so as we say, everything growth up right now. Nice and sweet. Right up to ceiling. Yeah, so this is how the tub look like. Yes, so my people, nice and sweet finished product. Yeah. The bathroom nice and sweet. Yes, so brought up and everything. Yes, so it's just for the plumber now come in and do for him part. Yeah. So the plumbery, by tomorrow the plumber in. The way I do and get out. Yeah, so if you notice the shape of the bath, yeah. So whenever I notice the bath of the shape, yeah. So how do we start from the floor with a wall tile? Just forget that cut there around the bath. That means the bath can sit down on the tile. So it's a bath with a round. Yeah, so everything brought up was most of my people. Nice and sweet. Yeah, so this is the finished product right now. Yeah man, bathroom suite. So once the plumber come in, put up in toilet and in face base and everything, in the bathroom, sell off again. Yes my people, it's a good look. Yeah, so if you watch the video so far, just like, share and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Help the channel to grow. And I want to say big up enough respect to all of the loyal supporters them who support the thing right through. Enough respect, appreciate, love and respect and support, Yeah, so yeah. As I say, bathroom nice and sweet. Yeah man. Finished product. So everything clean up. Yes, sparkling clean. Alright my people, so yeah. As I said, this is the finished product.